a spring day, rain dripping down low. Chowder's out wondering where the fish like to flow. A curious boy with a heart so bright, dreaming of puffer fishes swimming at night. Clouds roll in, but his spirit won't bend. With every droplet, there's a new trend. Chowder's dreaming in the rain's gentle beat. Puffer fish swimming in a world so sweet. Under gray skies, imagination's the play. Springtime magic on a rainy day. He learns every fact, holds knowledge like gold. Northern puffer fishes, stories to be told. With spikes all around, they defend in a flash. Chowder's fascination, a lifelong bash. Thunder rumbles, but he won't despair. In his mind's aquarium, he takes care. Chowder's dreaming in the rain's gentle beat. Puffer fish swimming in a world so sweet. Under gray skies, imagination's the play. Springtime magic on a rainy day. So here's to Chowder, let his hopes rise high. With puffer fishes, he'll always touch the sky.